Let me create this kind of standard hole with the help of NX software. We can create counterbore, simple hole, tapered hole, countersink hole with the help of this tutorial. Start with the new document and create one rectangle on the top of the face. Center rectangle with specific value of 150 by 150. Finish the sketch. Okay. Extrude with 50 mm. Hide the sketch and datum. Now I have to create the hole on top of the face. Okay. So go with the hole command. Okay. First of all, reset the command. Go with the counterbore option. But before that, we have to specify the position. Okay. So sketch section. Create the sketch on top of the face. Okay. Specify the point with coordinate method. Okay. So first of all, minus 50 tab minus 50. Okay. Second hole, x value minus 50 and y x value minus 50 and y value positive 50. Okay. Close and finish the sketch. Now we have to select the type of hole. So counterbore, custom, and select the screw clearance. Okay. We have various type of standard, various type of screw and size. So select the M10 with loose and depth of cut is 35 up to the tip, and okay. Counterbore is ready. Now again go with the hole option. Now we go with the simple hole, but specify the sketch point on top of the face. Okay. Select the point 0 0 x0 y minus 50. x0 and y minus positive 50. Close. Finish the sketch. Simple hole with the drill size 8. Custom 12. Depth of cut up to next by means through wall, and again select the hole command. Now go with the countersink option, screw clearance, but first of all we have to identify the location. So top of the face. Okay. Point x50 y0 x50 y50 x50 y minus 50. Okay, close and finish the sketch. Now select the type of countersink hole. 8 mm and depth of cut is also 35 and up to tip. Now our hole command is ready. If you have to check the cross section, then go with the view option and new section. We can exchange the plane.